Naghahanap ka ba ng NQuest reviewer para sa NQuest 2021? Halika, tulungan kita. Sa iyong FB account, i-type mo lang sa search tab yung NQuest 2021 online reviewer. Piliin mo yung may green na langgam, then hit like, then send me a message. Ganun ka simple, magre-respond ako agad sa'yo. Good luck! Subscribe ka na rin dito sa ating YouTube channel para updated ka lagi ng mga bagong videos, karagdagang pang-review. Pindutin mo na rin itong description para makita mo yung papang link ng mga videos natin. Good luck! Tara, review na tayo!
The chairman of Teachers Co-op is requesting your office if they could expand the consumer's store to 10 square meters in the canteen with a floor area of 7 by 9 square meters. So as to accommodate the growing demands of teacher members. As a school head, what will be your response? Approve the request provided that they will increase the school share. B. Approve the request provided that only teachers will buy in the consumer's store. C. Reject the request since teachers can buy commodities outside the school. D. Reject the request since the proposed floor area is more than the prescribed.
Bago natin sagutan ang tanong, basahin muna natin itong DepEd Order No. 8 Series of 2007. Papaloob sa DepEd Order nito ang mga procedures, paano mag-ooperate ng kantin, maging laboratory canteen man ito o kaya ay teacher cooperative managed canteen. Kasama na rin dito ang accounting of funds na susulat sa paragraph 5.4.1. Sinasabi dito na importante ang pagtatago ng mga records ng magiging transactions ng mga kantin. Sa paragraph 5.4.2, binanggit niya dito na importante ang transparency and accountability. Kaya sinasabi niya na ang school principal ay dapat na mag-organize ng school level auditing committee na pamumunuan ng mathematics department head teacher at Home Economics Department Head Teacher and the President of the Faculty Club as members. Ang mabubuong committee ay titingnan ang books of accounts at least once a month at ang resulta ng kanilang auditing ay ipapaskil sa bulletin board. Sabi naman ng 5.4.3 paragraph, canteen funds shall be audited by the school-level auditing committee on a quarterly basis and by the division COA resident auditor or his or her authorized representative twice a year. Audit findings shall be submitted to the school's division superintendent through the school head or principal. Audited financial statements shall be posted on bulletin boards for the information of everybody. Binanggit din dito ang incentives na magmumula sa mga private suppliers. Ang sabi niya, incentives received in cash or in kind from private suppliers of food items and beverages shall form part of the gross income of the school canteen and shall be part of the financial statement. Kung ang net income ay manggagaling sa school managed canteen, makikita nyo dito sa table na to kung paano gagastusin ang net income na ito. Sabi rin dito na ang kikitain ng canteen or earnings and cash received from canteen operations shall be deposited daily in the nearest government depository bank. In the absence of such government depository bank, deposits shall be made at any nearest reputable commercial bank. In no case shall the deposits be made in the personal account of any school official. Maliwanag po tayo sa parte na yun, no? Daily po ang deposito ng canteen earnings sa bangko. Banggit din dito ang tungkol sa teacher's clearance. Sabi niya, teachers and canteen personnel shall be required to secure clearance from money and property accountabilities in relation to their involvement in the operation and management of the school canteen before they are allowed to retire and or resign from government service or transfer to other posts for purposes of reassignment or promotion to a higher position. Kung halimbawa naman ang canteen proceeds ay manggagaling sa teacher cooperative managed canteen, sinasabi dito na the sharing of gross margin derived from the teachers cooperative managed canteen shall be as follows. 80% for the teachers cooperative, and 20% for the school. However, the school principal and teachers cooperative may agree on other percentage of sharing depending on the peculiar situation of the school, provided that the share of the school shall not be less than 20%. Remittance of the school share shall be due every 5th day of the month. At sinasabi din niya na ang school principal or his duly authorized representative shall receive the school share from the teachers cooperative and issue the corresponding acknowledgement receipt duly signed by the school head or by his duly authorized representative. Any authorized disbursement made by chargeable against such share shall be recorded, accounted for, and supported by receipts. At makikita nyo sa table na to kung paano gagastusin ang share ng school from Teachers Cooperative Managed Canteen. Nasabi rin ng DepEd order na ito yung paggamit ng canteen facilities by the Teachers Cooperative. The Teachers Cooperative may be allowed to use the existing canteen facilities rent-free for its operation. However, the cost of repair, maintenance, and expansion of the said facility shall be borne by the Teachers Cooperative. Separate water and light meters shall be installed in the canteen, and bills covering water and electricity consumed in the aforementioned school canteen shall be borne by them. The Teachers Cooperative shall be given a grace period of 3 months from the start of its canteen operations to effect the installation of separate water and light meter. So medyo tandaan nyo po to, no? Maganda tong part na to. Very important siya. Nandito na po tayo sa tanong natin. Paragraph 7.8.2. The Teachers Cooperative may allocate a small space within its school canteen premises which shall not be more than 1/8 of the floor area and must be enclosed where consumer goods or items may be sold to its members, or where the cooperative may undertake other business ventures. Such consumer stores and other business ventures of the Teachers Cooperative within the canteen or school premises are not covered under these guidelines. Instead, this shall be covered by a separate agreement between the school head, principal, and the chairperson of the Teachers Cooperative. So maliwanag po yung sinasabi niya, hanggang 1/8 of the floor area. Kung ang sagot mo ay letter A, maaaring ikaw ay magiging isang principal na laging iniisip ang iyong school. Ang ikabubuti nito, kaya mas gusto mo ng maraming school share para mas marami kang proyekto na ipagagawa sa iyong school. Kung ikaw naman ay sumagot ng letter B, maaaring ikaw ay magiging isang principal na laging iniisip ang kapakanan ng iyong mga teachers, kung ano ang magiging mas makabubuti at mas magiging madali para sa kanila. Kung ang sagot mo ay letter C, maaring ikaw ay isang praktikal na principal. Kita natin na kapag ang pinairal natin ay ang ating puso, hindi natin makukuha ang tamang sagot. Kaya importante na tayo ay magbabasa ng mga DepEd order dahil ang tamang sagot ay letter D.